Well, it's time to begin another build. Got my workshop all ready to go, desk's all cleaned off. Got a card here from Tom and Susan, old Tom, Rambler 69. Thanks, Tom, for that. Appreciate that. It's a good segue into my next build. I'm planning on doing a sort of a Christmas build, winter build. And if you remember this one here, the lighting's not so good. The iced tea that I did back in the spring. When I finished this one off, I had an idea for another one. So I'm thinking of doing another one here for winter and for Christmas coming up. So I was able to pick up another iced tea kit at the local hobby shop. They had a flea market this past summer here in early fall. So I got another kit. I can get the top off of it here. Back in September, I guess it was, when it was a little bit warmer, I managed to shoot some white primer over the body parts there. As you can see, it's molded in yellow. I stripped the chrome off of the gas tanks again and the hood scoop. Got it primered and ready to go. And I guess I even got the engine painted red there. So I got a start on it. And stay tuned, see how it turns out. Okay, well, it's been a few days and I've made a good start on this iced tea kit. I've got the engine all done and painted. I've got the carburetors, just sort of some brass color on them. Got it all put together. Just painted up the oil filter on there, got the headers on. Just painted silver. I've got some metallic red paint on the valve covers. And that's all together. Got the I guess the steering here stripped and sprayed with chrome. A little bit of black on the handlebars. I've stripped off the gas tanks and the air intake. I'm going to paint them body color. Got the wheels together. As you see in the picture, I have there were two vinyl pieces, two halves that had to be glued together. The instructions say not to glue them, but the rims are a little bit loose on them, so I glued the two halves, tire halves together with some contact cement, and then put the two front and back wheel halves, and they just glue here with some, I scraped the chrome off and glued it with some styrene glue. I took a white gel pen, and the writing is raised quite a bit. It was easy to just put the white gel pen on there, and a red marker on the hub center part there. So the tires and wheels are done. I've hollowed out a bit of the exhaust pipe, painted that black, and a black wash on the ribs there. Got the differential glued together and some red marker on that, and on the I guess that's a gear shift. I've got the body, as you see before, I had it in white primer, so I was able to, using a rattle can, an old rattle can I had, I sprayed the interior red and the undercarriage in the red. An old can of Model Master Guardian Red. It's been around for a few years and still worked pretty good, so I just shot that. What I'm going to do next, I'll shoot the roof here and the gas tanks and the air intake with white metallic. I've got this one, I've got a, oh, I've forgotten the name of it now, but I've got the metallic, this dazzling metallic, quite a heavy deco art, heavy metallic flake, white pearl. I'm going to try that on the roof and on those parts. And then I haven't tried this yet, this extreme glitter folk art. It's quite heavy, so I think I'll be putting it on with a brush. I might try that on the red to see how that works. I've taken a piece of a pie plate, plastic pie plate, and sprayed the Guardian red on that, and I'm going to the Guards red on that. And I'm going to try these the glitter to see if that would. I believe it's clear, but it's going to add a glitter to it. I'm just not sure. It should might come a little bit cold. I think that'll help with the red over the red paint. I'm going to try it on there, and if it works, I'll put it on here. So stay tuned. More to come. Well, I'm back. I've got the body and the gas tanks and the air intake painted with the deco art white pearl metallic. Came out really nice. Got a nice white pearl finish to it. A little bit of texture on it, which is fine because it's supposed to look like snow anyway. I did try the extreme glitter. I thought it was in the clear base on the red plate. I don't think I'll be using it because it came out kind of a gold or green tint to it, so that's not what I was looking for. I was looking for more of a silver being on the snow. So we'll stick with the red and maybe a red pearl on top of that.